The COUNTIFS function allows you to return the count of cells that meet one or more criteria. As implied by the plurality in its name, this function essentially allows you to combine multiple COUNTIF functions to really zone in on specific metrics that you might be looking for. We'll use the same dataset from the COUNTIF function tutorial, and we'll add a new column which indicates whether the employee is working from home or not. In this example, we want to understand how many employees are both over the age of 40 and are working from home. Given we now have multiple data ranges that follow different evaluation requirements, the COUNTIFS function is suitable to help drill down our dataset. Let's start by selecting the target cell where you'd want to use this function, or in this case, cell E12. Begin by typing the COUNTIFS function, followed by an open bracket. Here we see two required arguments, which are for the first data range and the first set of evaluation criteria. We know the first data range to be the employee's age, so let's use the Control-Shift-Down arrow keystroke to select that data range. The second argument is our evaluation criteria, or greater than 40. Remember to use quotations here. Looking at the formula, we can now see additional optional arguments are available, which is indicated by the square brackets around the placeholder text. Here we want to select our second data range, or in this case, whether the employee is working from home or not. Let's select that data range similar to how we selected the first data range, and then use Yes as our evaluation criteria. You are able to enter up to 127 different pairs of data and criteria to evaluate. Finally, we see our result to be 6, which is the expected value.